With Hexagon's virtual fixture solution, we can eliminate the need for part-specific check fixtures through the use of advanced simulation-based technology. This solution begins with the nominal CAD of the geometries. Here you can see the scan of the physical part being performed on a simple, flexible check fixture. And we're gonna take that scan data and align it with the CAD data in the simulation environment. Here we can see the deviation between the as scanned and the CAD nominal of that part in the as scanned position. We're now going to morph the part geometry so that it's aligned and matches the scan data. Here we could see the deviation between the scan and the morph geometry. Now we're going to reorient gravity from the as scanned orientation to the car body or fixture, assembly position and orientation. Here we could see that part is deviating or changing shape as we change the gravity orientation. Next, we're going to apply a reference point system alignment to that part. And finally, we're going to visualize the deviation of the geometry in that reference point system. With Hexagon's virtual fixture solution, we can eliminate the need for part-specific check fixtures and overall simplify the process, reduce the cost and error of checking parts for dimensional conformance.